Hello Pan people, how are you doing? Hope you are fine. Today we've chosen to teach you by using this kind of system of teaching you because so far we are still finalizing some different problems that we have faced. We are clearing different problems. Then we are finalizing the system. When the system is over, we are going to teach you the way we used to teach you. But so far, try to be patient for the method, this method that we are going to teach you now. Very soon, we are going to be back to the last method that we used to be using. Nuvuga ngo rero icyo nashaka kubabwira nuko so far nkuko mwabibonye hari ikibazo twagize kijyanye na technique aho mwabonaga ko amashusho atameze neza. But as I've said, nkuko nabivuze mukanya, turi kugerageza kugikoraho when the problem will be over, ikibazo gikemutse vuba cyane, within 2 days 3 days biraba byakemutse. Turakomeza ya gahunda yacu twabigishagamo mu byukuri n'ubundi kandi nziza. N'uburyo ni bwiza. You are going to give us some comments, muratubwira comments ko mwabonye ubu buryo. Good. Without taking much time, we are going to start our lesson. Tugiye gutangira isomo ryacu tudatinze rero. Reka dutangire isomo ryacu rijyanye na simple past. Today I've chosen to teach you the use of simple past in sentences. I've already organized different sentences that are going to help you understand the use of simple past. When do we use simple past? First of all, we use simple past to talk about something that happened in the past time. Dukoresha simple past iyo tuvuga icyabaye, ibyabaye, mu gihe cyashize. Today we are going to see verb to be in simple past. Tugiye guhera kuri verb to be. Muyumve neza. Dear students, dear pan lovers, dear people, mwumve neza verb to be in simple past. Ese verb to be in simple past tuyikonjiga gute cyangwa se tuyitondagura gute mu Cyongereza? Good. Let's first of all see this verb just in deep. Tugiye kuyireba mu buryo bwimbitse, noneho tuze kureba n'ingero zitandukanye. Verb to be in simple past. Good. Verb to be in simple past is characterized by 2 words. Igizwe n'amagambo abiri. Was and were. Tugira was and were. Nuvuga ngo kugira ngo wumve verb to be in simple past nuko ugomba kumenya amagambo abiri. 2 words. Was and were. When I say I was, mbavuze ngo nari. To be nukuba. I was, you were, she was, he was, it was. Okay, here we were, you were, they were. I was, you were, she was, he was, it was, we were, you were, they were. That is verb to be in simple past. Nuko rero mu byukuri dutondagura verb to be in simple past. Now we are going to see different examples, my dear students. Let us first of all see different examples. After examples turakora umwitozo mu nteruro zitandukanye. Iyo twigisha hanga kuri Pan Edutainment, ni nayo mpamvu umunyeshuri azamuka vuba, tugerageza kubahereza different examples. Now we are going to give you examples of verb to be in simple past. Good. Then here are different examples of verb to be in simple past. Ariko dukoresheje interuro in sentences. Good. When I say I was a teacher last year, I was a teacher last year. Ubu simba nkiri mwarimu. Iyo mvuze nti I was a teacher last year. Niyo bavuga ngo nari mwarimu umwaka ushize. But I'm no longer a teacher today. Uyu munsi tuvugana ntabwo mba nkiri mwarimu. Niyo mpamvu verb to be twabonye ko cyangwa simple past twabonye ko tuyikoresha. Twabonye ko dukoresha simple past tuvuga ibyabaye. Things that happened or something that happened in the past time. Okay, good. You were at home yesterday. This is another example. The first example was this one. Example ya mbere niyi. The second one is this one. You were at home yesterday. Wari uri mu rugo ejo hashize. Ariko ubu ngubu wasanga utakiri mu rugo ndamutse ngiyeyo. Ni ibyashize. Things that happened. Ujye wumva past, simple past, wumve things that happened in simple past. Or an action that happened in simple past. Good. When I say she was my student in 1996, yari umunyeshuri wanje 1996, which means that ubu ngubu wasanga ari minister, but but she was my student. Ubu ngubu wasanga acuruza mu isoko ari umucuruzi, a seller or a trader, but mu mwanya namwigishaga yari umunyeshuri wanjye, ariko ubu ngubu kuko sinkimwigisha, simple past byararangiye. She was my student in 1996. He was a pilot last 5 years. When you tell somebody that someone was a pilot last 5 years, uba uri kubwira umuntu ko umuntu yari umupilote mu myaka 5 ishize. Good. You can say it was my dog. Iriya yari imbwa yanjye barayinyibye, ariko it was my dog. Cyangwa se wenda narayigurishije, but it was my dog. Yari imbwa yanjye. It was byararangiye. It was my dog. It is no longer my dog. Ntabwo mungu bikiri yanjye. Good. Then number 6 here, you can say we were pastors 10 years ago. Okay? Nuvuga ngo nyuma y'imyaka 10 ishize twaraba pastor. But today we are no longer pastors. We are not pastors today. Maybe we are policemen. Wasanga ubu ngubu turi iki? Turi abapolisi. Or maybe we are leaders. Cyangwa turi abayobozi. But we were pastors 10 years ago. Twari abapasteri mu myaka 10 ishize. Then number 7 here, you can say they were robbers in this city. They were robbers in this city. Bari bisambo muri uyu mujyi. Maybe today ubu ngubu wasanga ari priests, wasanga ari abapadiri, birashoboka. Ariko just by the time I was speaking, or by the time they were here in this city, they were robbers. Mu gihe bari muri uyu mujyi bari bisambo. It means that the action that they were doing is robbing. Bakoraga igikorwa cyo kwiba. Yeah, they were robbers in this city. Good. Then now we are going to continue seeing an exercise. This is an exercise which is going to help us understand better the use of verb to be in simple past, or just interuro tumaze kubona tugiye kureba izindi nteruro, ariko ni umwe mugiye kugira uruhare muri ibi ngibi. You are going to play a big role in completing the simple past of verb to be, in these sentences. Here we have different sentences, 7 sentences, mugiye kuzuzamo simple past. Barakubwira ngo complete the following sentences by using simple past of verb to be. Ugiye kuzuza izi nteruro ukoresheje simple past of verb to be. Ukoresheje mpitagihe cyangwa se igihe cya kera tumaze kureba wifashe verb to be. Urugero number 1, I a teacher in 2014. Hano turashiramo was. I was a teacher in 2014. Number 2, you my friend when I had money. You were my friend when I had money. You were. Wumve ko hambere dushizemo was, ahakabiri were. Number 3, she an intelligent girl in our class. She was. Nuvango I tuvishiramo was, I was, you were, she was. Yes. Number 4, we have he, a pilot, for the last 3 years. Nuvango yari umupilote mu myaka 3 ishize. Here we are going to put was. He was a pilot for the last 3 years. Here for number 5, it my birthday ceremony. Turashiramo was. It was my birthday ceremony. Nuvango it nayo dushiramo was. Uretse hano kuri you gusa igaragaza ubuke, ahandi hose dushiramo was. I was, she was, he was, it was. Then twajya kuri we were. Yes, we were in dilemma. Twari mu gihirahiro. Dilemma means igihirahiro. We were in dilemma. We were in dilemma. Twari mu gihirahiro. They were good students. When you say they were good students, icyo gihe ubuvuga ko bari abanyeshuri beza. Maybe today they are bad students. They are not good students, but they were good students when they were at school. Mu gihe bari mu kwishuri bari abanyeshuri beza. Good. Then reka turebe ibisubizo niba twabikoze neza. Here are answers. Ibi ni ibisubizo. Handi twavuze ngo complete the following sentences by using simple past of verb to be. Twasanze ko kwari was, I was. Tusanga kwari you were, she was, he was, it was, we were, you bwinshi nayo irimo hano, you were, they were. Nuvango hanga mubona ibara ry'umukara cyane ni simple past of verb to be. Good. That I was a teacher, you were my friend, she was intelligent, he was a pilot, it was my birthday, we were in dilemma, you were good students, they were job seekers. Job seekers ni abantu bashaka akazi, baba bashaka akazi. They are called job seekers in English language. Good. Then this is the last part of our English lesson of today. Twabateguriye noneho mu byukuri quote cyangwa se imvugo y'Icyongereza. The quote of today is imvugo y'uyu munsi rero cyangwa se navuga quote ni imvugo n'ubundi ariko noneho iba yaravuzwe n'umuhanga runaka cyangwa se umuntu wayivuze akaba yarabaye icyamamare kubera iyo mvugo ye. Life is like the ocean, it goes up and down. Life is like the ocean, it goes up and down. Ni nko kuvuga ngo ubuzima ni nk'inyanja kuko bugenda hirya no hino. Ni nko kuvuga mu yandi magambo ubuzima it wanders. Life is like wanderers. Bumeze nk'abantu b'inzererezi. Inzererezi ni usanga hirya no hino. Muri make ubuzima burahindagurika, ubuzima ntiwamenya ubwo ari bwo, ntiwamenya definition yabwo, ubuzima ni ikindi. Bivuga ngo ushobora mu Giswahili nibyo bavuga ngo maisha ni mlima, kuna kupanda na kushuka. Reka nkoresha iyo mvugo. Just this means that ubuzima ni nk'umusozi. Harimo kuzamuka no kumanuka, bujya hirya no hino mu byukuri. Ubuzima nyine niko buteye. Ubuzima ntiwamenya definition yabwo. Today you are poor, tomorrow you will be rich. Uyu munsi urakennye, ejo uzaba ukize. Life is like the ocean, it goes up and down. Good. I thank you so much for today. I'm teacher Jasper. We are together for the next lessons. Ariko I need your comments kugira ngo ndebe niba mu byukuri iri somo mwaryishimiye kandi munatubwire nyine nkuko muri abantu bacu munatubwire where there are some imperfections, ibitameze neza, ibitanoze kugira ngo tubikosore. Ariko twababwiye ko turi buze gusubira kuri system yacu nimara kuba inoze cyane ya system yo kwigisha ku kibaho. Thank you very much. Bye bye.